I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and if you have a gas fireplace like I do here, then you know it's nice to get some heat in the winter. You get this beautiful fire, but you don't get a lot of sound like a fire, like a actual wood fireplace burning. And you can see it's pretty realistic. You know, these today's gas fireplaces look just like a wood fire, but again, you don't get that sound element to it unless you have this. This is a cool gadget. This is super awesome. I'm just delighted that this exists. It's from Trubisky. They're one of my sponsors, so thank you, Trubisky, for sponsoring me. What is this? It's basically a little speaker that you can put next to your gas fireplace or any kind of electric fireplace, an artificial fireplace, the fireplace video you've got going on your TV. And what we do is switch this on, and doing that is super simple. There's a little switch on the back here. And when we switch this on, it's actually going to play the sound of a wood fireplace crackling. And this is a non-looping sound, so this is going to go for hours and hours. I think it's many, many hours without any kind of a loop. It's just going to play, and it's going to sound like a crackling fireplace in here. So we simply hide that away somewhere near the fireplace, you know, out of the way. And there we go. We have a roaring fire going here. We've got the visual effects of the glowing embers. We've got the visual effects of the fire coming out. We got the heat, and now we've got that beautiful fireplace sound, just like we lit a wood fire. You can hear it. I'll be quiet for a sec so you can hear. Really sets the holiday spirit. Again, you could use this for all kinds of things. You could use it for a holiday display. You could use it for a party if you have a theme, like a ski lodge, and you want to have some kind of a fire theme going on with that. It's a pretty awesome little device, and I love that it's got that non-looping sound, so it's just going to continuously sound like a fireplace for hours and hours. If you want to play other stuff through it, it is Bluetooth compatible too, so you can hook that up and play songs and holiday music and that kind of thing if you want. It becomes like a little speaker, so it's not just a fireplace crackler, but that's the default setting on there. And again, I just think it's a really cool device. It's such a creative and kind of funny and interesting thing. Thanks again to Trubisky for sending it to me and sponsoring me. I'm really happy to be able to share that. So set the holiday spirit, get that going, make your gas fireplace sound that much more awesome. Check this out.